Welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Paul. Just wanted to give a quick update on the what the heck was it? The persimmon tree. So got the persimmon planted as well here. It's going to be growing nicely. Hopefully you can see the buds at the end. So I'm really happy about that. Looking good. And just figured I'd do a quick update on the strawberries as well. They all seem to really like the spot here. They've all kind of come back, you know, looking really nice. Some of the stems were, you know, kind of drooping a little bit after, you know, picking them up and planting them, but now they look like they're doing great. So that's looking good. The other two over here are looking great as well, and you can really see, you know, just that they like where they are. You can see them doing quite well. And the gooseberry has now got a bunch of leaves on it. You can see the growth there. It's looking really good. You can see the two back blueberries are in full, you know, budding, and the leaves are coming out. The one in the front here might be dead. I'm not sure. Nothing happening on there yet. But everything is like really going crazy. Spring is definitely here. You can see the elderberry. I've done videos about pruning these in the fall. They're looking great. They don't seem to have suffered any ill effects from being pruned. You can pretty much just prune those as much as you want. They stand up like really well to any kind of abuse you throw at them. There's actually one that I've been trying to kind of kill off here, and I've cut that thing back I don't know how many times where that old tree stump is, and they keep coming back anyway. That one's growing really nicely as well. The medlar tree is doing great, and just, you know, everything is looking really nice and green. You can see the plum trees are, you know, in kind of you know, budding mode as well, and the raspberries have just simply exploded. This is just from a couple days from the last time you had seen them, and yeah, holy smoke, you know, they're just going crazy. So looking really good. The new raspberries that I planted are also looking great. They're over there. And the apricot tree is looking great too, starting to bud. So just wanted to share that quick update with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stick around, make sure to subscribe if you're not already signed up, and see you in the next one. Bye.